Here I'm going to show how to use the polygon version of the measure tool. I come in here and select it. What this allows you to do is take a measurement of the area of a polygon. If you're lucky enough to have just a rectangle or square, that's an easier tool. I just pick and drag across. However, of course, when you have multiple extra lines like this, I'm going to have to go back and use the polygon. So I'm going to show you with an easy one first. I start at any point and just start dragging across the outline of the polygon. As you can see, I can very quickly come up with that square footage. Here at the bottom, there's some options that show up. I can backspace as many times as I want. I could click that X in the middle and stop the whole operation, or what I want to do now, which is hit that check mark to complete this operation. So there you go. That's the simpler case. But polygons can be very complex, and so I'm just going to show a technique to use. Basically 2 steps. You're going to get that basic outline. You may not get everything perfect. You'll accept it, and then you can go back and adjust individual points. So again, I'm going to come in here and select the polygon tool to make it active. These straight lines are going to be really simple. I can do this. It's when I get down here to the center where I have this little curve that I'm going to zoom way in, and then I'm just going to give a whole lot of extra points so that I can play with them post acceptance. And see, I messed that one up. At any point I can click on that backspace to get rid of it. Oops, and there I touched it with my wrist. Okay, so now if I zoom out, I can see that the majority of it's done. I'm going to accept that. Now when I zoom back in, I actually got it pretty close, but what I can do now is click on it, and any of these points I can adjust to make it perfect.